Hey, I'm John Stevenson, the Guaranteed Retirement Guy. Let's talk about a cash refund annuity and how it works. So, if you're thinking about buying an annuity and you're worried about dying too early, and you're thinking, I want to make sure that this money goes to my kids or my wife or my beneficiaries, whoever, I want to make sure that the insurance company doesn't get it, then typically what you will pick is a cash refund annuity. These are usually done in SPIA contracts or DIA contracts. And these are irrevocable contracts. And usually I don't recommend them only because if you want flexibility, like where you don't have an irrevocable decision, then I would recommend something like a MYGA or a fixed index annuity with an income rider if you're looking for income. That's usually what I will recommend if you want the flexibility of changing something or maybe even canceling the contract later on. Whereas with a SPIA or a DIA, even if it has the cash refund option, it's irrevocable. You give your money to the insurance company and you cannot change that decision. Okay, but let's talk about it. How would it work? Well, let's say you got $500,000. You want to put it into an annuity that gives you an immediate payout, let's say. So it's a SPIA. And that's paying you, let's say, $38,000 a year. Guaranteed income for the rest of your life. Now, of course, after 10 years, right, it's paid you $380,000. But what if you die? What if you die at that point? And you're like, well, I only took $380,000 out. What's the refund going to be? Well, there's a cash refund. It'll be the balance of whatever you paid in. So you paid in $500K. The refund is $120,000 to whoever your beneficiary is. It's pretty plain and simple. That's how it works. Obviously, if you take out income longer, let's say you take out income for 20 years. Well, you've taken out a lot more than $500,000 at that point. There is no cash refund after that. Okay, so the cash refund is really set up to make sure that there is a refund of whatever the excess is that you paid into it. Okay, so that there is no excess that goes to the insurance company. So people will usually do this for maybe a period certain where they want to make sure it is paid out for a certain amount of years, no matter what, even if they die early. But if you're looking for maximum income, usually a fixed index annuity works better, in my opinion, because you're still going to get a refund of whatever is left in the account. Okay, so if you die before taking out all of the funds in that annuity contract, whatever's left in there is still going to go to your beneficiaries. So that's the thing is, in my opinion, if you want a cash refund, just do a fixed index annuity because you typically will get a higher payout, you get more flexibility, and the beneficiaries will still get whatever your account balance is. Having a period certain like 20, 30 years, let's say a period certain of 30 years, the advantage of that over a fixed index annuity that is a life option, of course, is the fact that it is certain for 30 years that those payments will continue to either you, your spouse, your beneficiaries, whoever. And so those are great for people who want to make sure payments go to their kids even after they die for a certain amount of years, right? To the end of that period certain. The drawback, of course, is irrevocable, it's not flexible, and the income is usually less. So if you're looking for the highest pension income, the highest guaranteed pension for the rest of your life, usually fixed index annuities with an income rider is the best solution. So everyone's different, but if you want to chat about that, get into my calendar. Okay, there's a link below this video. It will send you a link also to a Zoom invite, and we'll be able to get on there. I'll share my screen, and we'll look at everything that's available, okay? I don't care what you want. I'm going to show you what's available, and I'll sell it to you if you want it. But, of course, I'll give you my recommendations, and then, of course, at that point, you can decide for yourself what you want to do. So anyways, not here to hard sell you or anything like that. Just want to give you advice, give you some good content, give you some good information, and most importantly, be transparent. Okay. So hope that helps. If you want to book a call, go ahead and click the link below, and I'll see you in the next video.